Hey, let's talk about playing a jazzy scale by only adding on the minor pentatonic scale, right? You're playing the minor pentatonic. By adding a sharp four and using the seven and the two, how it could change that whole dynamic of playing that minor pentatonic scale. Okay, so we got, right? That's the minor pentatonic scale. Now let's add the sharp four. See that? That's that sharp four, right? So we're talking about a C sharp right there. And that's the seven. So that's the seven, which is F sharp. And I just used the two, which is the A. Over that G minor. We're in the key of G minor, right? And we're playing a bluesy minor pentatonic scale, but we're using the seventh, sharp four, and the two in that minor pentatonic scale. So we have the A, we have the C sharp, and then we have the B. I'm not the B, the F sharp. I'm sorry, the F sharp, because we're in G. Okay. See that? We can do that too. But by just changing those few notes opens up the way that you hear that minor pentatonic scale. So we have, which is the 2 or the 9, however you want to view it, but it's the 2, and using the C sharp and using the F sharp, okay? Hey, thank you so much, Bjorn. We'll see you in the next lesson. Okay, take care now.